Hi and welcome into this new video. Today I'm sharing 5 simple recipes that you can make for your Thanksgiving dinner. It's just the sides for 1 or 2 people. Everything will be on the description box below. You got the link through the blog with all the recipes. So if you do like this content, please don't forget to like and subscribe. So the first step for all of the recipes is to bake 2 large sweet potatoes in the oven at 450 for 20 minutes. So the first recipe that I'm sharing, it's the roasted cauliflower rice pilaf. So in a bowl, I'm adding some frozen cauliflower rice and then some frozen veggies. So here we have corn, carrots, sweet peas and green beans, but you can use veggies of choice. I'm squeezing half of a lemon. I'm adding some spice, I'm adding some nutmegs and some dry herbs. So here I add fennel seeds and some thyme. Then I'm adding some almond flakes, salt, and I'm adding a tablespoon of beef tallow, but you can use any kind of cooking oil of your choice. Then I mix everything well to combine. And then here is how it's supposed to look like before it goes in the oven. So the second recipe that I have to share is roasted Brussels sprout with some thyme and onions. So in the bowl I'm adding some roasted sprout that I cut in half, onions, and I'm adding some dry thymes. I cracked some pepper. I'm adding some salt and some melted beef tallow, but once again cooking oil of choice, and I'm gonna mix everything well to combine. And this is how it looks before it goes in the oven. The third recipe that I have to share is a sweet and spicy roasted carrot and parsnip. So I did cut some carrots and parsnip. I'm adding some honey, a little bit of balsamic vinegar, some chili flakes, and I'm adding some ginger powder, salt, and some beef tallow, but once again cooking oil of choice. And then with a spoon I'm just gonna mix everything well to combine. And this is how it looks before it goes in the oven with all the other recipes. So now it's time to send everything into the oven. So in a large oven plate I line up 2 parchment paper, and then on one side I'm adding my cauliflower rice pilaf. The other side I'm adding the roasted Brussels sprout with onions and thyme, just as you see in the video. And then in the same plate where I did bake my 2 large sweet potatoes, I'm adding the carrot, parsnip, and the spice and honey. And then this is how the 2 dish pan looks like before I send them in the oven to cook everything together. While everything is in the oven roasting, I'm gonna make the stuffing for the sweet potatoes. So in a bowl I'm adding some pecan nuts, some coconut sugar, I'm adding some allspice, coconut flour, and then some cinnamon, salt, I'm adding some coconut flakes, but that's totally optional. And I'm adding some melted beef tallow. You can use coconut oil as well. Then I mix everything well to combine. And I'm just gonna set it aside. So the last recipe is a simple easy cranberry sauce. So I did boil some water. Then I'm gonna add some cranberries, some coconut sugar but sweetener of choice, some cinnamon, and some clove powder. Squeeze some lemon. Mix everything together, and then I'm just gonna cover and let it simmer until the water, everything reduces into a sauce. So I just removed the pan where the sweet potatoes are. So I'm gonna open both of the sweet potatoes. And I'm just gonna put the pecans coconut mixture that we did earlier. I'm just gonna stuff them into the cut sweet potatoes, and then they're going back in the oven for 5-10 more minutes. So now everything is well roasted, so I'm just gonna remove them out of the oven. Now it's gonna be time to build a plate. So it's really simple, easy side recipe you can enjoy for Thanksgivings or any kind of holidays. So in the plate, I'm adding 1 sweet potatoes, the carrot, parsnip, sweet and a spicy recipe that we made. Or cauliflower rice pilaf with almonds. The roasted Brussels sprout with onions and some thyme. And in the middle, I'm adding a simple easy cranberry sauce. And then yeah, here is our Thanksgiving side dish ready. If you're vegan, you can eat it like this on its own, and if you're not, you can just serve that just next to your turkey. So this is the end of this recipe. I hope you guys love it. It's gonna make your Thanksgiving more easier. You don't have to stress. This is a portion for 1 or 2 people. So if you do like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Everything will be on the description box below, so don't forget to check. Bye.